Alright guys, today I'll be trying out some super clean products today. So we have the degreaser here, we got the wheel cleaner, and one of the best things here, this one, the spray foam stuff. So today I got a whole bunch of things to try out for today. At the end I will have some disclaimers on what to use and what not to use the stuff on and throughout the video. And yeah, I'll give my honest review, and you know what? Let's still start out with some wheels. Alright, let's start out with the tire cleaner. So I am gonna make this fair, and I ain't gonna pre-clean the surface and all. This is really dirty. Yeah. Okay, well, you don't want to get it on, at least for the degreaser stuff, you don't want to get it on like chrome stuff, because this stuff is so good it will probably ruin it. But yeah, probably get it on the spray one. There we go. You don't want the stuff to dry onto your stuff, onto any of your things. So you want to do, you get your super cool towel. I think this is empty. But yeah, wipe. Alright. Yeah, looks better in person, but that looks really well. Look how white that is now. Boy, I didn't scrub there. I need to put more muscle into there. Looking really nice. Of course, you want to get some steel wool for that, and you'll have some brand new set of wheels and tires. And yeah, let's get to the next thing. All right, there it is. And next. We'll be using the spray foam. Yeah, you can see how nasty that is. Make sure you don't breathe it in enough. Oh, just a little bit more. Yep. And there. Now I let it sit, and I wait for this nasty thing to be done. Alright, you guys out there, I recommend using a scrub brush. I couldn't find one, so scrub brush noises. Scrub. Spray stuff here, and spray. This stuff will also help it, but you can already see it. Now, I'll go show you the result in this. Alright, got some more of this. And now. Alright, the rest is literally rust. As you see, it's so rusty. There's a pinhole at the bottom. But I gotta do this part off camera. Alright, here's the final result. Sorry about the lighting. Whoops, there we go. But that's rust. But yeah, you're probably thinking that I got a different one out of the... No, I didn't. See, it's the same old one. A washcloth does 1,000 times better scrubbing than a blue rag from your dad's collection. If it looks like this is familiar, it's my mom's washcloth. Grove. But let's go test out the spray stuff. Here we got a oil pickup tube, or oil pump, whatever you want to call it. And then let me just try to get out the sunlight. And I wouldn't care what you call it, but we're testing out the spray degreaser. This is my favorite here. I mean, yeah, the tire cleaning is all good enough, but we have lots of cars here, so it'll be. But yeah, I think this stuff actually works better than the foaming degreaser. I'm probably doing that wrong, but this stuff takes it way faster. You can already see it looking brand new. I should let it actually sit a little bit longer and get back to use. Alright, this thing looks brand new already. I didn't clean air. As you can see, not cleaned versus a cleaned. Well, sorry about the crappy camera work. Article. Yeah. See, there's the part number. If somebody wants to find that out, I don't know. But USA, this original one. Whoop, USA But yeah, this thing is all nice and clean. I got 2 more things to clean for you guys, then they're done. Well, another example for this foaming degreaser. Here, you got this nasty thing that's out of a 292Y block, you know, the inspection cover. Coat it, coat it. You don't want any of these to dry onto the object, but let it sit. You can already see it's changing colors, and your paper towel or whatever, start wiping away. I did not hose this off. I did not do nothing to increase the strength for the super clean. Okay, here it is. Oops, wrong side. See, it's all nice and clean. I got another one, but well, yeah. So let's do the next. Now here's the valve cover. First, we're gonna be cleaning the inside of it. Look it even has this rubber gasket. Pretty cool. Yes. Code in there. Remember, don't let it dry and stuff. Alright, that was only one spray of it. One thing is scrubbing, but yeah, looks pretty good. Before we do another coat, let's go do the top. Alright, look at this nasty thing. Looks tasty. There we have it. The rest is rust, but they cleaned it pretty well. I mean, rust. I mean, if the rust will look brand new. Alright. Now, time to put on the wall. Look, we got Honda Spain Speech Up, Midnight Custom. Oh, they're super clean now. Oh, 1776 Garage and Full Mill. Oh, ah, those are some awesome YouTubers. Hey, how about that? So, let's wrap up this video. Alright, that was some awesome products there. These are some awesome products, guys. Thank you so much, Super Clean, for sending me these products here for me to test and review. And yeah, if you guys want some Super Clean, links in the description below for the website. I mean, they got tire cleaner, they got spray foam for the engine bay. I can't wait to use this on the rest of the engine once we actually have a hose that can, you know, when it's not winter time. But yeah, this stuff works out awesome. I mean, here comes a little bit of research. I mean, they say you don't really want to use it on chrome and stuff. I mean, it will, I don't know what will happen to it, but I'm pretty sure it will ruin it. You don't really want to do it on nicely painted surfaces, or else, you know, it'll peel off. But I did it on the dash of Christine and the truck over there. It worked out pretty fine to me. And yeah, well, even though they say it's good for the plastic, but yeah, I tried on a Mustang and a little seatbelt thing, a little bit thing. So just a warning, if you do it on plastic, I didn't clean up all the way. Make sure you clean the surface. I mean, wipe away all the super clean off the surfaces and stuff. But yeah, that wheel is still looking clean to me. I mean, these wheels need some cleaning. The blues forever on it. But yeah, this was hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button and share with your friends, and comment down below yummy rooster, then I'll send some roosters over. Just kidding, the roosters are horrible things, don't get them. But yeah, this hat actually it feels nice on me. I mean, a lot of the hats make my head itchy, so if I can wear it both ways and it'll feel fine. This shirt is perfect fabric. But yeah, here's the products. They have more products in their store, so if you guys want to get some Super Clean, links in the description for them. And yeah, thanks again, Super Clean, for sending out the stuff. And yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do for next video. See you guys next time. All right. You want to know if you got a blown head gasket on your car, kind of got to look a little bit deep. Like, look at a little tip. Is it bent or not? kind of look at these like, oh, it's a little bit dirty. Maybe that was a bad head gasket. Maybe down in there. Oh, is this the blown head gasket? I can't tell. Huh. I think it's reusable. So, yeah. Wee! Oh boy, that's fun.